What's up guys, this is Chris with Half Chrome. Today I'm going to deviate a little bit from what we normally do and talk about a piece of kit we got a couple months ago. This guy here, the Komodo K5 from iFootage. It is the head on this tripod and it has changed everything we do in terms of how we record the footage that we get, the content that we create about drones. So stay tuned. I'll be right back to tell you a little bit more about this tripod and the tripod head, the Komodo K5. This is actually one of the hardest videos I've had to make because all my tripods that I normally use to hold my cameras, I'm holding right here in front of you right now. Before I talked about the Komodo K5, I wanted to show you what I have been using historically. I've been using this thing for years. This is a Dolica tripod that I got on Amazon for maybe 50 bucks. I've really liked using it, but it's a set it and forget it kind of thing. It's mostly used for photography because the head on here isn't made for easy adjustments, panning up, down, left, right. Mostly use it just to set the camera on there and get some footage from a fixed angle, no panning. Now since we've gotten this, it's kind of changed everything how we use tripod. What's so great about this tripod head from iFootage is just how smooth it is. So their fluid-filled system has zero stickiness to it. So you don't need to worry about little jitters. It's just super silky smooth. It's got this fluid system, don't really know how it works. It's won design awards, but it works super well. And things just move slowly. You can move it fast if you need to, but it's always kind of slowing you down and smoothing you out quite a bit. And able to get these tracking shots of drones that I was never able to really get before because we've been usually using handheld gimbals which don't have a nice zoom lens on them. So I'm able to zoom and pan around, up, down, really smooth with this in ways I never did before. It's got this spring loaded in it, helps protect the lens, keeps the whole camera from falling if you've got some monster lens on here, but it also just gives it a really nice feel too. Overall, the Komodo K5 is just changing how we do business here. I think you can see it in some of these shots I'm showing in the background. Now the tripod head wouldn't be much without a really cool tripod. Keeps things nice and stiff and rigid, so the only thing moving is the head itself. And this is the Gazelle TA6, also from iFootage, and I've loved using this as well. It's definitely a step up from the Dolica tripod I was using before. It's just big and beefy and stiff, and it also goes really high. So I'm 6'2". You can see how high this thing will go. So this is the first tripod that actually goes a little higher than I need it to. I could see this being very comfortable for someone who's maybe 6'4", 6'6". So it's just really nice for us taller people having a tripod where you don't have to hunch over, which is usually what I'm doing with tripods. All of the joints on here, super professional, super easy to use, big beefy knobs, easy to hold, easy to grab. Got this nice little angle adjustment here. That is the one thing you kind of set up and forget, which is perfect so none of your footage is tilted. After that, you're just moving around nice and smooth. I could show you all the features of this tripod, but I suggest you just check it out on iFootage's website. You can also buy both the tripod and my favorite, the tripod head from B&H Photo. The head's about 150 bucks and totally worth it. So I know this video wasn't about drones, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you're looking for a tripod and a tripod head mount for videography, totally recommend the Komodo K5 from iFootage. We'll see you guys next time.